Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made these delicious hamburger buns. A huge shout out to my one subscriber. Let's get into the video. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour with 2 packets of yeast. In a separate bowl, combine 250 ml of milk, 150 ml of water, 125 ml of cooking oil, 60 ml of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix together and heat in the microwave until lukewarm. Add all at once the wet mixture to the dry mixture and beat until smooth. Gradually add more flour per cup to make soft dough. I used approximately 3 more cups of flour for this mixture. Knead the dough with your hands if the mixture gets too hard to mix with a whisk. On a floured surface, continue to turn the dough until smooth. Let it rest under a bowl for 15 minutes. Shape the dough into slightly flat balls, place in a greased pan, and leave to rise until doubled in size. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. If you like my content, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell so that you can receive a notification when I post more videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye.